Alright, so I got the lights mounted. I don't know if you can see that one. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. And I got one underneath, two right here, one right there, one right there, and then I got two more. One right there, one right there. So I got that one lit up, that one's lit up, those two are lit up, lit up, lit up, lit up. That one's lit up, and that one's lit up. So, a couple hours later, finally got it. Whew. Got hot out here, so got that finished. I'll see what else I can work on. Because I know I got a lot of electrical. I got a light that needs to go there, but I need the mounting brackets. Fish finder is going right here, but I gotta get the fish finder mounted there. I gotta get a kill switch mounted up top. The bilge pump switch mounted right there. And then I got a voltage meter. I got a battery shut off. So, kids got plans today going to the festival, so we're gonna do that. And then tomorrow I'll be back out here doing some more in the morning. Then we gotta go to the grocery store before we go fishing, and then go see fireworks. And then I'll probably be back out here Monday for a little bit. And then we have family dinner, and then back to work. So, alright, keep giving you guys an update on the boat restoration, tackling it as I go. Well, I'm gonna have to end the video here, because I was gonna try to mount it over top of that hole, but I think I'm gonna run my wires through there. So I tried mounting it here, but with the two pieces together plus the fish finder, it was in the way of my steering. So I'm gonna have to get the rail that the Rail Blaza makes, because I'm gonna buy it anyway, because I gotta do the pole holders on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a cup holder here, and then have it another one here that comes off the rail, and then have the fish finder back here a little bit, and then the cup holder, then a pole holder. So I'm gonna have to get those ordered. I did have the motor running. I think I have a ground issue on that again, so I'm gonna have to keep working on that. So I'm gonna get things cleaned up and see what we can do tomorrow. But I'm